Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to teach full face yoga flow sequence video in which I am going to teach how you can use this massager in your regular routine for 10 to 15 minutes massage. In the previous video, if you want to work on targeted area like the eye, for droopy eyelids, crow's feet wrinkle, dark circles, cheeks lifting, to remove the double chin and to work on jaws. So you can watch my video of day 1, 2 and 3. This is the video in which we have full flow, a sequence flow, like starting from the up, middle and the low part of the face. How you can do lymphatic drainage, how you can do lifting with the help of this tool. So let's start. As you know, whenever we start, our number one rule is you have to sit straight, like a proper alignment of the body, and bring beautiful smile on your face. Just relax your mind. If you have this tool, you can just own it and start practice. So the first practice I'm going to teach in this flow, to start from the up, the forehead area, center, 10 times. So in this flow, I will not count, I will just do 10 times. When I finish 10, I will guide you to switch the practice. And switch. Placing the tool left corner of the left eyebrow. Take it upwards. We are working on 11 lines. Breathe normal. And switch to the other side. And release. Eyes, droopy eyelids and forehead wrinkles. So we are going to place it just starting from the eyebrow. We have an acupressure point here. Then we place, stay for some time and massage upwards. Again, repeat the same practice for 10 times. Release. Next, placing at the corner and then slowly place and lift up. We take a pause and then we go up. You can pause the video and repeat the same from the other side, please. Now, after I finish the droopy eyelids and the forehead, we'll work on the dark circles and crow's feet wrinkle. I'm going to show the practice for 5 times, but you can repeat it for 20 times if you have dark circles and eye bags. So, we have an acupressure point here. We place the tool and then slowly take upwards and take a pause. Same practice from the other side. And release. Now we are going to drain. If you have puffiness on the cheeks and under eyes and dark circles, this lymphatic drainage practice with this tool is very effective. And then drain till the collarbone. You can repeat same from the other side. And release. Now, the next practice is if you have the nasolabial folds here, you have saggy cheeks, and not only that, you have a round face and you want to reduce the face fat. So, the next practice is for you. We'll make fish, place it in the center, around this area, the corner of the nostrils. Another practice, placing the tool like this and take upwards. And release. Now these two practices we are going to repeat from the other side. Number one. Now, sagginess, because of sagginess we have deep smile lines and mouth corners. For that, two practices. Stretch the lips one side. Second practice, placing the tool at the corner of lip. Let's repeat the same. And another practice. And release. In the previous video I explained, like if you have saggy jaws, very loose skin, the next practice is for you. We need to divide the face into 3 parts. Like this. Last time. You can pause the video and repeat it total 20 times, but if you are doing for prevention, then 5 on regular basis is enough. and release. Now the next practice, we're going to work on the double chin with the help of this tool. So you need to slowly lift the face up, placing center. We'll do drainage and practice together, and then till the same practice from the other side. And release. So after we finish these practices, we need to do palming for forehead first, then the eyes, cheeks, face and chin, and relax. Now not only that, if you want, we can use this tool for hair to have more strong scalp and to relax when if you feel tired. So very simple to use. You need to own it, and first of all you place around the hairline, take a pose for 30 seconds each side, and then each area up. Like this you can massage your head in case you feel tired. I will not say it will reduce your hair fall, because there are multiple reasons why we have hair fall. Diet is responsible, our routine habits are responsible, but if you have this tool you can at least relax your area. So next tip I want to share, if you want to clean your tools, because definitely we wash our faces, then we start the practice, but still we need to clean it after we use, because we moisturize the face during the practice. So what I personally do, I keep a cotton cloth with me, and every time I use my tool I clean with the wet cloth and then cover my tool, so that whenever I use, my tool is clean, because when we keep the tools open and we use directly, we will have infection on the face. So make sure you clean your tools just after you use it, and then you reuse it. I hope you like the video, the sequence. If you don't have the tool and you are interested, I have shared the link in the description box. You can buy from the link. If you have the tool, then enjoy the practice. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you very much for watching.